Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method to create a really pretty jelly and flower set. So here I'm just showing you that my nails have a protective layer of gel polish on them. I'm using the dual forms from the Makart and Femi Beauty collaboration kit, which are really just full cover tips. I'm just making sure that they fit my nails from sidewall to sidewall. I'm going to be using the color Y2K Princess from her kit, as well as some base coat as my slip solution just for like extra adhesive. So I applied a really long bead of polygel straight in the middle of the nail, and I'm just going to be pulling at the edges, bringing it to the sidewall. I found that that is the easiest and fastest way for me to like spread the product out into the nail. Something I like to do is always check the front, make sure that I haven't missed any areas of the nail, and once I have it perfect, I'm just going to press it onto my nail, cleaning up anything that's spilled out. And I'm popping it in my little Kier Sky lamp. I figured this was perfect for me to just be able to slide my finger in case I need to hold the tip straight or anything like that. And I just gave it a minute cure, doing the exact same thing to my ring fingernail. One thing I wish I thought of before I did this set was to do my thumb last, because I noticed that it was getting in the way and just like in the camera's views. I definitely won't be doing my thumb like that the next time I do the Femi Beauty method. For the jelly color, I'm using this SXC Jelly Pink Polygel, and this was the perfect shade of pink to kind of match the Y2K Princess, which has a really pretty shimmer, and it's just a really pretty like Barbie pink kind of. I think they complemented each other really well. Now I'm just using some Amazon dried flowers that I have. I'm using one big flower and then a couple of little baby flowers to go around it. And I felt like it needed something else, so I'm adding this unicorn fart glitter from Ella Nailed It. And I just used a fan brush to apply it to the areas, nice and sparse. And I feel like it elevated it so much. It was exactly what the nail needed to just look more completed. So doing the same thing where I just place it onto my nail, squeeze it down, and clean it up, and popping it into the lamp. And I'm just repeating this same process for the other two nails. They are going to be jelly nails as well, which I do want to mention that this set went by so quickly. I think it only took me about 20 minutes for the application process. So moving on to my pinky, I'm doing the exact same thing. Here I'm just showing you how sticky this nail was. After doing the first four, my fingers were so sticky. I remember the first time I did the Femi Beauty method, I said that was my least favorite thing about it, just how sticky it is. If I do this more, I think I may need to invest in those little nail stands. Okay, the nails are all done, and now I'm just popping them into my big lamp for a more powerful cure to make sure that they're fully hardened. I just did that for a minute, and now I'm cleaning off the sticky layer, mostly doing it underneath the nail because that is where the polygel is. The tip didn't really get too sticky. Now into the filing process. I'm using a medium ceramic cone drill bit. I figured this bit was perfect. I needed the crisp edges from the cone shape to really get into my cuticle area and clean up anything that was overlapping and touching my skin, because I didn't want any type of lifting from this set. I remember the first time I did this, I did not have long lasting nails, and I think the cuticle area is the reason why I got lifting. I didn't fully seal it in, so I made sure to take care of that this time. Another favorite thing about this method is that the nails are already pre-shaped, so you save a lot of time in shaping, and then with filing you save a lot of time because all the product is underneath. Just to kind of remove the shiny surface, I'm using a sanding band and also a buffer block you'll see after to just buff up the surface of the nail, which is just the tip. Here's what we're looking like. Here I'm showing you the little design I'm going to be using. It is a magnetic flower. I thought it was so perfect for this since I did like a flower jelly encapsulation. I will be linking everything I use down below, but this flower is from the Attitude Shop. With my Mia Secret top coat, I'm just going to be using it to place on the magnetic piece and cure that in, and we'll attach the flower later. I just really quickly used some Macart rhinestone gel and more top coat, and I applied the rhinestones into the wet gel. Just doing a cute little like cuticle crystal look. And moving to the end of this look, I'm just going to top coat the rest of the nails, the jelly nails, and I did an up close look for you guys. I really love the reveal in this set, just watching the design come to life after top coating them. And just giving everything a 60-second cure, we're gonna go ahead and oil them up with some Cusio cuticle oil. Here's what they're looking like, all oiled up and moisturized, and I just attached the flower. The magnetic on this flower is actually really nice. It was actually something I ended up playing with. As you can see, the magnetic's super strong. And here I just wanted to show you how nice the apex looked. Just the structure of the nail was so beautiful, especially because we did not have to make it ourselves. Here's just a really quick close up. That's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!